Next method is called update transaction. So public function update transaction, and we're going for table, array, value, and field, by default ID. A few new lines. I'm going to close the browser here. And we're starting with the array again, equals this underscore update array, and we pass the array as the parameter. Now if is an empty table and is an empty array, and helper is empty value and is an empty field. Now, as you may remember, we already have a method to check for all these parameters because we already have the update method. The only difference now is just the fact that we're going to be using execute transaction rather than the execute method. So what we're going to be doing is, rather than writing all this, reuse the method that we already have in place. So this underscore is, sorry, it's not is, it's are update parameters valid, and we go for the table, array, value, and field. Now it looks a little bit better now. So now we can go for the SQL statement, equals, and we start with the update table, and we go for set, oops, a semicolon after that, SQL concatenating with implode, we're going to be imploding with the comma, and array index 0, which is basically the field, equals question mark, SQL imploding with where, field equals question mark. And now simply array 1, and we add in another item, so another set of brackets, value. So basically the array 1 contains all of the values we're setting as new values for these fields here, and then we obviously add in this field value to this array, so we can pass all of these values basically in one go. Then return this execute transaction SQL statement and array 1, and then semicolon. After this if statement, return false. And that's our update transaction completed.